How to best decide whether a data science focused solution is the most appropriate for a business problem. Great question, Daniel. And I think that you're really hitting upon one of the things that I stress a lot with my teams and also with my corporate clients. This is the kind of advice that I give to my corporate clients. So two things really come to mind. One, you do have to have the ability and kind of almost like the academic ability to recognize when you have a data science problem or not. Okay? Because here's the challenge. If you go to 10 of your business stakeholders, right, the people that you're ultimately serving, if you go to 10 of them and say, hey, what's machine learning? What's data science to you? You're going to get 10 completely different answers, right? Even as advanced as some of these algorithms are, and most people know what ChatGPT is and things like that, people still don't have a consensus of what that means. You're going to get completely different answers. So what that means is that you're going to have a lot of instances where people come to you and say, hey, I got this great data science problem for you that I want you to write me something. I want you to write me a neural network for it, right? But you start looking at it and it's like, that's not a data science problem. You know, the person has good intents, right? But they're probably like, just overly excited, or they're repeating things that they heard on the news or things like that, right? And you kind of get into it and you realize like, wait a minute, this is really just like advanced statistics or an advanced analytics problem.